Hello, my name is Vikram Shrestha. I am from EIILM-Kolkata Hotel and Hospitality Administration, and today we are going to make Goan fish curry. So let's start.
So we start by, this is the fish, we have marinated the fish, this is the pomfret fish, and we have poppy seed paste, we have chopped onion, we have grated coconut, we have coconut milk and some curd. So we'll start. We'll first fry the fish. We put some poppy seed paste. We put some ginger garlic paste. We'll put some more poppy seed paste. Put some curd. Little bit of turmeric powder. Little bit of chili powder. Little bit of salt. We'll cook it for 2 minutes. We'll put the fish, fried fish, and then we will put the coconut milk. Put the coconut milk and cook it for 2 minutes. You can put some grated coconut for thickness. Little bit of tomato for the color. Goan fish curry is ready.
So our dish is ready. Do try this at home and do let us know how it tasted in our comment section below. Thank you.